Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can promote a smart link from Zeydoo CPA marketing platform. Here you can see I have got some interesting results from Zeydoo platform. Zeydoo is a best CPA marketing platform. Here you can see Zeydoo platform have lots of CPA offers to choose from. All these CPA offers are accepted in lots of countries. Here you can see this CPA offer is accepted in 237 countries. This CPA offer is accepted in 234 countries. Here you can see rate, here you can see eCPM. Here you can see my result. I'm going to share with you a step by step. Guys, I have got this result from different methods. In this video, I'm going to share with you one of those methods. You can watch this full video. Here is a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. I do not guarantee any income and results. Your results may vary based on your effort, skills, experience, consistency and traffic. Guys, if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe our channel and like this video. And if you have any type of questions or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. You can go on Google and you can search your 𝒕𝒉𝒂𝒏𝒌. You can click here to open this URL. Guys, this is a best and most popular platform. You can use this platform to get lots of traffic. Here you can see this platform is getting more than 51 million visits. Here you can see top 5 countries. This platform is getting lots of users from these countries. Let me show you how you can use this platform to get some interesting results. First of all, you will have to create account on this platform. You can click on register button. You will then come to this page. You can type your username. You can type your password. You can repeat password. You can type here your email address. You can read and accept its terms of service. At last, you can click on create account button. Once you will create successfully your account, you will then come to this page. You can click on this icon. Now you can click on posts button. You can click on new post button. It will then take you to this page. You can type your post title. You can type your content. You can type your tags. You can select your language. You can select your date. You can upload your image. Now you can enable this option. At last, you can click on save button. Guys, you can use ChatGPT platform to generate articles. You can go on Zeydoo platform. Guys, this is a best and most popular CPA marketing platform. You can get exclusive offers with high traffic volumes. Here you can see this platform has got 4.2 star ratings on Trustpilot. 4.9 star ratings on FBank. You can get here giveaway surveys, smart links, social, mobile apps and more. First of all, you will have to create account on this platform. You can click on sign up button. It will then take you to this page. You can type your first name, last name. You can select here your country. You can select your city. You can type your address. You can select your affiliate type. You can type here your email address. You can select your messenger type. Like you can select Facebook, WhatsApp, Telegram. You can select any of this messenger type. Now you can type your username in messenger. You can click on next button. You can fill all of this information. Guys, I have already made tutorial about how to create account on Zeydoo platform. You can check playlist. You can read and accept its terms and conditions. You can verify this CAPTCHA. At last, you can click on sign up button. Once you will create successfully your account, you will then come to this page. Here you can see CPA offers to choose from. Here you can see result. You can click on a smart link button. Now you can scroll down. You can click on add source button. You can type your traffic source name. Guys, I'm going to promote a smart link on 𝒕𝒉𝒂𝒏𝒌 platform. Type your 𝒕𝒉𝒂𝒏𝒌. Click on create button. Now click on get link button. Here you can see a smart link. You can click here to copy this smart link. Now in next step, you can go on 𝒕𝒉𝒂𝒏𝒌 platform. You can type your title. Guys, you can generate articles using ChatGPT platform. You can type for this kind of content. Now you can select any of this text. You can go on Zeydoo platform. You can copy this smart link. Now go on 𝒕𝒉𝒂𝒏𝒌 platform. You can select any of this text. You can click on this link icon. Click on insert link button. Paste your smart link. Now enable this option. click on insert button. Similarly, you can select any of this text. Click on this link icon. Click on insert link button. Paste your smart link. Enable this option. Click on insert button. You can scroll down, type your tags. This tags will work as a keyword. It will help you to get more users. Select your language. Now select your date. You can upload your cover image. This image will help you to get more users. Now you can enable this option. You can click on save button. Guys, sometimes this platform do not allow to create post. You can go on medium.com platform. Guys, this is a best and most popular platform. You can click on get started button. Now first of all, you will have to create account on this platform. You can sign up with Google. You can sign up with Facebook, or you can sign up with your email address. You can type here your full name. You can type here your email address. You can click on create account button. After creating account on this platform, you can click on write button. Now you can type your title. Now you can upload your image. You can click on this icon. Now click on this icon. You can upload your image. Now you can type your articles. You can type your this kind of articles. Now in next step, what you will have to do is you can insert your smart link. You can go on Zeydoo platform. You can click here to copy this smart link. Now you can visit on tiny URL platform. You can paste your smart link. Click on certain link button. Guys, here is showing certain URL. You can click here to copy this URL. Now go on medium.com platform. You can select any of this text. Click on this link icon. Paste your certain URL. Now you can click on publish button. You can type your topics. Now click on publish button. Yeah, here we go. You can see your story has been published and sent. You can share your story on Facebook. You can share your story on X. Share a story on LinkedIn. Or you can click here to copy URL of this story. Here is showing a story. Here is showing image. Here is showing text. Here is showing advertisement from medium.com platform, and here is showing clickable text. When any person will click on this text, then Zeydoo platform may show CPA offers according to user. When that user will complete the required step, then Zeydoo platform may create your account. Guys, here you can see top performing smart link for any kind of traffic. You can share a smart link on social media platform like Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, TikTok, and Telegram. Using this method, you can get good results. Here you can see medium.com platform is getting more than 81 million visits monthly. Here you can see top countries. This platform is getting lots of traffic from these countries. You can also share your smart link on social media platforms. Here you can see restrictions. No bot, no fraud, no proxy, no iframe. Propeller ads traffic is not allowed. Guys, if you have traffic on your Facebook page, then you can click on add source button. You can type your Facebook. You can click on create button. Now you can click on get link button. You can generate a smart link for Facebook traffic. Now you can share this smart link on your Facebook page. But before you can certain a smart link. Guys, if you want to learn more about Zeydoo platform, then you can watch this video right here. That's all for today. Please subscribe our channel and like this video. And also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.